Fluent English Practice. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Fluent English Practice.
Hey friends, good to see you again. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. We are your English practice partners.
Today, we have something really fun for you.
Yes, we are going to practice short daily conversations that you can actually use in real life.
Each scene will feel like a real situation you might have every day.
Exactly. It's simple, natural, and easy to remember.
And at the end, we'll go over the most useful phrases together.
So, stay with us till the end. Let's get started right now. Good morning.
Morning. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I was up late.
Why? Were you working again?
Yes, I had to finish a report.
You should rest more.
I know. What time is it?
It's almost 7.
Oh no, I need to hurry.
Don't worry. I made coffee.
Thank you. That helps.
Sit down. I'll bring it.
Is there breakfast too?
Yes. I made eggs and toast.
Perfect. I'll eat quickly.
Don't forget your laptop bag.
Where is it?
Next to the sofa.
Great. I see it now.
Ready for the day?
Almost. Just need my phone. At the library.
This library is so quiet.
Yes, it's perfect for studying.
Do you know where the history books are?
They're on the second floor.
Thanks. I need one for class.
I'll look for novels while you go.
Do you like romance stories?
Sometimes, but I prefer mystery.
Oh, I love mystery too.
Let's pick one together later.
Did you bring your library card?
Yes, it's in my wallet.
Good. I always forget mine.
Don't worry, I'll borrow the books for us.
That's kind of you.
It's okay, we share anyway.
Let's study for an hour first.
Agreed. Then we can read something fun. Lunch break.
I'm starving. What should we eat?
How about sandwiches?
Sounds good. Do you want chicken?
Yes, with lettuce and tomato.
Great. I'll order two.
And some orange juice, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Maybe fries to share.
Good idea. Let's sit by the window.
Sure, I like the view.
Look, the food is ready.
Wow, that was fast.
Try your sandwich.
It's delicious.
Mine too. This place is nice.
Yes, and not expensive.
We should come again.
Definitely. Maybe next weekend. Shopping talk.
Do you want to check that store?
Yes, I need a new bag.
What color do you like?
Maybe blue or black.
Here's a black one. Try it.
It's a bit small.
What about this larger one?
Oh, I like that. How much is this?
It's $40.
That's not bad.
Do you want to buy it?
Yes, I'll take it.
Cash or card?
Card. It's easier.
Done. Here's your bag.
Thank you. Shopping makes me happy. Evening walk.
The park looks so pretty at night.
Yes, the lights are beautiful.
Do you hear the music?
Oh yes, someone is playing guitar.
It's relaxing. Let's sit here.
Good idea. I like this bench.
The air feels cool.
Finally, not too hot.
Do you want some ice cream?
Yes, chocolate please.
All right, I'll get to.
Thanks. I'll wait here.
Here you go.
Delicious. Perfect for tonight.
I'm glad you like it.
This is my favorite part of the day. Night at home.
Finally home. I'm tired.
Me too. It was a busy day.
Do you want tea?
Yes, with milk please.
I'll put the kettle on.
Thanks. I'll get the cups.
Let's watch something while we drink.
A movie or a show.
Maybe a comedy.
Good choice. We need some laughs.
The tea is ready.
Perfect timing.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Cheers to a good day.
Cheers. Let's relax and enjoy. That was fun. We practiced 6 everyday scenes.
Yes, and you learned useful phrases for morning, library, lunch, shopping, walking, and home.
These are simple, short sentences you can actually use every day.
Remember, the best way to improve is to practice out loud. Don't just read, speak.
Try shadowing. Repeat the sentences after us to sound more natural in English.
Here's a tip. Focus on intonation. For example, when you ask a question like, "Do you want tea?" your voice goes up at the end.
And when you answer, keep it calm and clear, like, "Yes, with milk please."
Practice like this, and your English will become smooth and confident.
Thanks so much for watching Fluent English Practice.
See you soon, friends. Keep practicing and stay confident.